Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today's video I'm going to discuss with you what is ugahip, and I will also share with you my journey with the ugahip just a week ago. So to understand more about what I am talking about, I'm going to insert a video of myself with my journey with the ugahip. So, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Video insert! Ay, bumalik na naman siya. Bumalik siya kahapon. So, today is the second day. Ayun, oh. Ito na part. Yan na part din sa sa lips. Pabalik-balik na lang, Diyos ko. At the same spot. The last time I had this was 2 years ago or more than 2 years. So bumalik siya ngayon. Na-miss niya siguro ako. Ang hapdi. Bahala na. Tiisin, tiis. Hapdi niya. Day 3. Today is day 3, guys. Tapos makikita ninyo ang aking ugahip na nag-dry na. Meron na siyang crust. Yung sa Bisaya pa, kugan. Lagyan ko na naman siya ng napiktuhan yung dito ko o yung lips ko. Nag-dry din yung lips ko.
Hello!
Uy, hapdi.
Siyayi mo ingnon nga.
Pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung paglagay ko para tuluyan rin siyang mamatay. So guys, today is day 4. 4 or 5?
Tanawa ko po tutay.
Not sure kung day 5 ba or day 4. Ilalagay ko lang dito sa gilid kung anong para masunod-sunod ko yung anong day na ngayon. Parang day 5 ata ngayon. So, update sa aking ugahip. So, andito na siya. Nag-dry na siya. Completely dry. May crust na siya nag-form. Kahit nag-form na siya ng crust, I still need to put the ointment on para sa mas mabilisan pa rin paggaling niya. Ayan. Mahapdi pa din siya kahit nag-dry na. So guys, today is day 5. Day 5. Dahil nakalimutan ko na talaga. So, siguro, tingnan nyo guys. Dry na siya at super dry. From dry to super dry. So, ito na siya. Nagkugan na siya. Yung crust sa Bisaya pa kugan. Kugan na siya. So, completely healed na. Yan siya guys. Super dry. So, wag na natin siyang tanggalin. Itong puti niya. Yan yung dry niya, yung crust. Hayaan lang natin siya na matanggal siya ng kusa siyang matanggal. Kasi pag pilitin mo yan siya, magdudugo yan. So, hayaan natin na siya mismo magtanggal sa sarili niya. So, bukas Friday. So, I'm sure pag mabasa na to, matatanggal na siya. Makati na siya ngayon. Makati, hindi na siya mahapdi. Makati na siya dahil alam niyo yung pag yung sugat ay di ba, pag gumaling na yung sugat, medyo siya, makati. Yun, makati siya. Tingnan nyo yung ano ko guys, o yung pati yung lips ko is nag-dry na rin, nag-flaky din siya. Day 7. Meron na siyang ano, totally healed. Ayan siya. So guys, ito yung ano niya, oh. O, diba? Yay! Wala na siya. So, away, babalik. Sinabi niya sa akin kagabi, ito, sinabi niya sa akin na babalik ako after 2 years. After 2 years talaga. So, yun lang. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have ugahip, if you want to try also the medicine that I have used, so, ano ko dito yung picture niya at yung pangalan, picture ng ano, ng gamot na ginamit ko. So, yun guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye! Yeah, I'm back. So, now guys, I'm going to share with you what is really the ugahip. So, what is ugahip? Ugahip word is a Visayan word. So, in English, it is called cold sores or fever blisters. And then, they are a common viral infection. They are tiny, fluid-filled blisters on and around your lips. These blisters are often grouped together in patches. After the blisters break, yung blister is, yung sa Bisaya pa is butoy-butoy. A scab form that can last several days. So, cold sores usually heal in 2 to 3 weeks without leaving a scar. But for me, my ugahip only takes 1 week and it was already completely healed after 1 week. So it can spread from person to person by close contact such as kissing. They're usually caused by herpes simplex virus type 1 and less commonly herpes simplex virus type 2, HSV2. Meron po din siyang HSV2. HSV1 itong ugahi. So, both of these viruses can affect your mouth or genitals and can be spread by oral sex. Nako. Cold sores are contagious even if you don't see the source. I need to insert a picture of a white model dahil yung model natin guys, yung brown model na yan, yung selola ninyo is not clear. The ugahip on the lips is not clear dahil sa ano, dahil siya ay brown. So I will insert a white model to make the ugahip very clear sa inyo para to understand more what is really ugahip on the lips. So ayan, ito siya. So ayan, or ito siya. Naggrupo-grupo yung mga buti-butoy guys, mga buti-butoy. At yung buti-butoy yan is merong tubig. Yan, so may tubig-tubig siya. So what are the symptoms? Symptoms. So a cold sores are usually passes through several stages. Ang first, during your first, according to my experience, meron siyang sa umaga kasi, sa gabi kasi sa lumabas. So, kinaumagahan, habang natutulog ko, lumabas na pala siya. So, pagkagising ko ng umaga, I feel something na meron siya, parang namaga siya dito, oh. Dito kasi banda yun, di ba? Namaga siya at saka medyo makati. Sabi ko, hala, andito na naman ang kagwang, sabi ko. Tapos, namula-mula din siya. Kinagabihan, meron na siyang blister na lumabas, yung butoy-butoy na may tubig-tubig na siya. Yung small blisters, pag yung buti-buti, pag mo irap na yan siya, ano na siya, maging wound, maging samad, maging sugat na yan siya, na pula-pula, yung para ka nang nasugatan, yung ganyan na siya. So, signs and symptoms, depende yan siya on whether this is your first breakout or a recurrence. Kung first time kang nagkaugahip, it will take more than 20 days. or more. Pero yung mga paulit-ulit na lang is just only 2 weeks only. 2 weeks or depende na siya sa pangangalaga mo. Pero for me, as a recurrence of this ogahip is just 1 week. So, this time, I will share with you kung bakit I was able to manage to shorten the lifespan of my ogahip during the recurrence. So, yung mga unang nagka-ogahip, magkaano yan sila? Lalagnatin, syempre, pag lalagnatin ka, masakit yung katawan mo, masakit yung ganyan. Basta lalagnatin siya. Tapos, yung cause ng ogahip. Cold sores are caused by certain strains of the herpes simplex virus or HSV1 usually causes cold sores. Yung cold sores, yun yung ang cause niyan is the HSV1, the herpes simplex virus ang ogahip. Ang herpes simplex virus 2 is usually responsible for genital herpes. So yun, meron siyang genital herpes. It can spread through oral sex, yung ganyan. So siguro sa pagkaintindi ko, kung meron kang ogahip dito, wag ka muna kumain ng lollipop or candy, yung ganyan, no? Kung meron kang partner o ganyan, wag ka munang, iwasan mo munang nang kumain ng lollipop at candy, yung ganon. Prevention. So merong mga gamot din yan, yung mga cream or mga pills na iniinom natin na ibibigay ng doktor kapag pupunta ka sa doktor or over the counter dun sa pharmacies to help avoid spreading cold sores to other people or to other parts of your body. So, one is, yun na nga, avoid kissing, avoid sharing items, utensils, towel, lip balm, and other personal belongings. Tapos, keep your hands clean, always. When you have cold sores, wash your hands properly. Alam nyo ba guys, kapag meron ka ng ogahip, hindi na yan siya mawawala. Paulit-ulit na lang yan siya, paulit-ulit, pabalik-balik. It will never go away from your body. Yan ang sabi dito. Magbalik-balik siya at the same spot. The same spot talaga siya sa akin. After 3 years or 2 years, dito talaga yan siya dito. Last year I had also is dito pa rin dito. Hindi talaga yan siya mapunta dito. Dito at the same spot talaga yan. Yung treatment. Wala siyang treatment guys. Cold sores generally clear up without treatment. Mawawala siya in 2 to 4 weeks. Several types of prescriptions, antiviral medications may speed the healing process. So, now guys, I'm going to share with you my secret why I only had this for just 1 week. Sasabihin ko na sa inyo, during the stage na may, yung blister ko, yung buti-butoy is may tubig-tubig pa, is ang ginawa ko ay ganito, insert video. Tinusok-tusok ko, tinanggal ko yung tubig. Yan ang sikreto guys. Kapag hindi mo tatanggalin yan, if you will just let the blisters erupt by itself, it will take more than a week. Tinanggal ko yung tubig dito sa butoy, dito sa blister, tapos nag-dry siya. Ganon siya. Ang nilagay ko is the ointment. Ito siya, ointment. Sobrang hapdi niya, sobrang strong, tapos sobrang very effective for me. It really works well for me guys. If you want to try or to use this one, this is over the counter. I will just insert a very clear picture of this ointment. Dito siya. Yan. Yeah, it is really very effective for me. So, yun ang sikreto guys para shorten ang lifespan ng ogahip mo and it will never go to more than a week. So, that's all I think guys. If you have some questions guys, you can leave your questions in the comment box below. And then, I will try my best to answer if I'm not busy. So, if I got the questions, then I am happy to help you. So, I think that's all for now guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you learned something from me from this video. And thank you so much. And I hope to see you on my next one. Thank you. Bye! I'm coming.